how to sell prints and digital download wall arts on Etsy. Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial on how to sell prints and digital download wall arts on Etsy. If you're an artist, photographer, or a graphic designer looking to monetize your art, Etsy is a great platform to start with. With over 81 million active buyers worldwide, Etsy provides a huge potential customer base for your art. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create stunning wall art designs using Canva, a user-friendly graphic design tool, and how to turn those designs into physical products using Printify, a print-on-demand service that seamlessly integrates with Etsy. We'll take you through the process step by step from creating your design and then listing them on your shop. Now let's get started. Now we're going to use two other websites, which is Canva and Printify, like I said earlier. And in Canva, this is where we are going to create our design that we are going to sell in Etsy. Now, if you already have a design, you can simply skip through this Canva part and go straight to our Printify tutorial over here. Now, for me, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to create a simple design that we are going to sell on our Etsy product over here. Now, currently, we are at the editing page of Canva, and I'm on the element section. And we're going to create a simple design that we are going to sell. Now, the design that I would like to create is related to music. So I'm going to search elements related to music, just like this. And we're going to click on graphics over here. We're simply going to choose any element that we like and simply click on them. And it will automatically appear on our canvas over here, just like this. I'm going to delete the first one. We're going to use these two elements over here. We're going to enlarge it by dragging it just like this. We're going to make this other element bigger, just like that. We're going to add another element for our canvas over here. We're going to add maybe this one. Put it in the center, just like that. We can make it a bit smaller, just like that. And then we're going to go to elements once again, and then we're going to search for a box. I'm going to add this into our design over here. I'm going to make this a bit longer, just like that. And then I'm going to edit its position. I'm going to move it backward so that it's visible. I'm going to make it a bit lighter, a light gray, just like that. I'm going to make sure it's centered so that it is balanced, just like that. And I'm going to extend this a bit. I'm going to select both of them, put it in the center once again. Then we're going to look for something we can put in the middle. I'm going to search again. I'm going to once again search for music. Then we're going to look at our graphics over here. I'm going to add this element over here because I really like this one. I'm going to center this. I'm going to change its colors by clicking on our color palette over here. Just like that. And then we're going to enlarge it a bit. Make it fit our canvas. Just like that. And we're going to turn our background a bit transparent. Going to go to our three dots over here, turn our transparency down, just like that, and then we're going to adjust. That's it. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to turn this into a pure black color, change its transparency to black, just like that, and I'm going to edit the size so that it fits our little design over here in the middle. I'm going to change the color of this designs again to white. I'm going to turn it back to its original color, just like this. And we're going to center it together with our black background over here, just like that. Going to adjust it once again, just like that. And that's it. I created a very simple music related design So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on share over here on the top right. And we're going to click on download. We're going to select PNG over here, and we're simply going to click on download. We're going to wait for it to download. Now after downloading our design, we're going to go to Printify, and over here you're going to log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, you can simply click on sign up over here or start for free on the middle over here. Now after logging in, this is where we are right now. We're going to look through our catalogs over here. As you can see, we have men's clothing, women's clothing, kids clothing, accessories, and home living. These are the different type of items that we can create and use our design that we have created in Canva to create our own product. Now since we are focusing on prints and digital arts, we are mostly going to focus on home and living on this side over here, where we can create canvas, posters, postcards, and many more options for our product. Now I'm going to go with posters. And as you can see here, we have different type of products that we can integrate our designs in to sell on Etsy. So I'm simply going to choose a poster that I like the most. I'm going to go with this one over here. And as you can see here, we are able to see information about this poster, like what type of paper it is, for what use, what sizes it have. We could also click on read more, and we would be able to see its key features over here. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to look for the print provider section over here and click on start designing. Now this will redirect us to the editing page of Printify. This is where we will be able to add in our artwork. As you can see here on the right side, we have new design. This is where we can add our designs through My Device, Custom Text, Shutterstock, Dropbox, Google Drive, and Fiverr. We can also see here on My Library, this is our previously uploaded images from a previously created designs. We can also click on My Templates and Graphics over here. Now on the graphics section, it is pretty similar to what we did in Canva earlier, where it has different elements that we could use, but it's not as good as Canva, and through Canva you would be able to use your creativity much better. Now I'm simply going to upload our design from earlier, and just like that, our design is uploaded to our poster over here. We can adjust the size by dragging on the corners, just like this. We can put it in the middle, just like that. We could connect it to our top section over here. We could enlarge it even more, just like this. And you can add more designs actually by clicking on the add design over here. You could add multiple designs to one products. Now as you can see here on the top, we have this one size of a poster over here. We can add more sizes by clicking on this section, and you can select all the different sizes that you would like to have. Now keep in mind that it will affect your design, so only choose sizes that are fit for your design. So we're going to go with 11 by 14 for now, because this is the best for our art over here. And after doing that, we're going to click on save product, and we will be redirected to this page over here. As you can see here, we are seeing mock-ups of our design. As you can see, this is a mock-up for our print. There's also another mock-up version over here. As you can see, this is what our design would look like on a real life setting. And as you scroll down, we could edit our title over here, add description, add size table, add different variants. There's also publish settings over here. Now over here on the publish setting, this is where we will connect our Etsy store. We're going to click on connect a store, and we're simply going to click on add a new store. And then over here, you would have this Etsy option over here. We're simply going to click this, and you would need to connect your Etsy store account to Printify by clicking on grant access. And just like that, we are now connected to our Etsy store, and every product that we create in our Printify account would appear in our Etsy store. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.